Ladies and gentlemen, why the BS scan has now opened. Now, what you will notice is the name. So guys, let's continue here. What I need you guys to take note is this. What you search on Google is what that will appear first once the BS scan website opens. Then the next thing is the network. It's running on the Binance Smart Chain network is running on, which is the BT20, like I told you guys. Now, the next thing you will notice is the total supply of that very token. Total supply of the EIFI token is 150 million token. The next thing is the amount of people holding it already in their wallets. Okay. Now, after that, the next thing is scroll down. You're going to see the amount of transfers so far. After the amount of transfer, the next thing is the profile summary. Now, under the profile summary is where you're going to find the contract address we've been talking about since. Then the next thing is the decimal. So copy the contract address. So copy the contract address. Click and hold. Most browsers will permit it. Most browsers will not permit it. So what you need to do is to click on this icon beside it to copy it. Now that you are done copying, let's go back to Trust Wallet. So as you're done copying, let's go back to Trust Wallet. 3 things you should have in mind as you're going back to Trust Wallet is that you're going to add this contract address you've copied and have in mind of the name of the contract and the token, which is EIFI, and the decimal. The decimal is 8. We have copied the contract address and the name is EIFI. So let's go back to Trust Wallet to add it up. Alright, we're back in our Trust Wallet. So let's go back to the icon up here, the double slide icon. Tap on it, then scroll to the bottom. Click on Add Custom Token. Change the network again to Binance Smart Chain. Then paste. Alright, after you've pasted, the name appears automatically. The symbol appears, the decimal appears. This is the name EIFI, symbol EIFI, decimal 8. Most times it doesn't appear, you need to type it manually. So next thing for you to do is to click on Done at the top right corner up. Now you have added the same thing here. So guys, that's it for this video, and please make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more awesome videos like this. More tutorial videos like this are coming your way, guys, so make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell notification icon to get notified of awesome videos like this coming your way soonest. Okay, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, like button. Peace.